So the problem for a Fire Stick to restart again and again is actually due to the heating issue. Now to fix that we need to open the Fire Stick. So it's easy to remove the covering. So you can use any equipment if you want. It's very simple. Just don't stress it to avoid breaking it. Now we need to insert some thermal pads inside so that the heating issue can be resolved successfully. And first step is to take any aluminum foil you have at home, which is the simplest way we can do. Now fold it in many layers and make a thick small layer as I'm going to show you here. Make sure you do it on a smooth table so that it remains even. And these multi-layer aluminum foil will work as a heat sink. So once you make a proper size which can easily set inside the box, now cut it with a knife or with a scissor, which is easy, and make it a proper size. Now if you think it's too thin, you can make another one, because I believe it's not enough, so I'm going to make another one as well, which is slightly wide in size. So same process, same way, just make folds unless until you reach to the final size. And that's here. So you can make at least 3-4 of these to place on the both side of the stick inside the box. I've already placed copper sheet as well, but maybe I won't use it if I don't need. But here we go, we can place it here like this. And now on the top, so I'm going to place another thermal pad on the top as well. So you can make it from the aluminium as well. Press and hold the stick and see if there is any gap left. If you still feel the gap is there, you can put one few more layers of aluminium foil. And once you are satisfied, then we go for the next side. Now I have already made a thermal pad which I am going to put it on the top side. If you don't have, then you can still use the aluminium foil. You can make it easily as aluminium foil is available at home for everyone. Now just place it on the top and don't let the aluminium foil to go up to the circuits, just up to the halfway, and then we close the top lid. Now see if it's closing easily so that you can use it. If not, then you can reduce the number of aluminium foil layers, and once it is ready, just join it and use it. In case you still have problems sometimes in between, then you can buy aluminium heat sink and you can attach on the top here or at the bottom, and that will work as well. So here you go, that's a simple way to stop restarting of your Amazon Fire Stick, and it also it solves the overheating issue. Thanks for watching.